parcel of 4. I can only imagine what's in it. Ouch. Bloody ants. I can only imagine what's in here. He's supposed to be coming next week. Woohoo! Look at that! Brand spanking new. They come with clips and all. Beautiful. It's exactly what I needed. Just double checking the new one versus the old ones to make sure they're all correct before I put them in. And they've got the copper washer at the bottom, just there. Yeah. So I've just got to take the plastic off and reinstall. All is good. Now I'm just going to reverse the procedure and put them back in. But I'm going to put the new ones in instead. Haha. Got all the new injectors in. You can see the screw just there on that return line. This one here needs a new hose, which is in the post. I'm just waiting for it to arrive. But yeah. She purrs like a kitten. Woohoo! I think the aircon needs regassing, but anyway, we'll get there. No diesel leaks. What's looks like I have to go back to mowing the grass again now that I fixed. So I just wanted to touch base and let everyone know that 2026, wow, today's New Year's Eve, and you know, I'd say Happy New Year and have a cold drink, but you know, one, I'm working in the garden, and two, that I might drive this around the town, get some K's back on it. But to do that, I gotta drink my chocolate milk. Milo, of course. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base. Thanks for all my supporters out there at the moment. The channel will grow. I'm sort of thinking of going a different way with it. There's a lot of channels out there doing the same stuff, going to the car meets and the shows, and you know, I'm just another one there doing the same thing. So I might just stick to doing what I do. Might stick to the semis up on the highway. There's not many supporters doing that for YouTubers, and you know, without trucks, Australia stops. So, and obviously a truck driver got me injectors from Sydney up here in 2 days. So awesome. Look at me old mate sitting there smiling away.